Making the music or rap is not difficult right now because AI made that easy for us. And in this video, we will talk about the free AI tool that will allow you to make rap in just few seconds. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Simply go to your search bar and enter beatport. I like the interface. It's very clean and simple. And this tool allows you to make rap by just one click. So currently this is in a beta version, and right now this is totally free to use. Now to make it work, just enter your thoughts or describe the mood of the song that you want to make and then hit generate button. And it will automatically generate music and lyrics according to the mood of your song that you just described just in few seconds.
It's the darkest night, the sky is so gray. I'm feeling so lost, so far away. I'm looking for hope, something to believe. I'm reaching for stars to find what I need.
So let's see how it works. In simple, this tool is from the company called Splash. Basically, it uses Splash AI technology for the vocals and the music, and it's using ChatGPT in the backend to generate the lyrics of your song. And this is also important to read the terms and conditions page before using this commercially. To make a good quality music, you have to describe the genre or the type of the music. But if you're a person like me who don't know much about the beats and music, you can simply click Surprise Me button. And it will suggest you some moods and the music genres. After that, you can keep the type of the music and delete the rest of the words and replace it with your own words. You can try it out for the multiple times to get the best music type that suits your taste.
A snow lake in the summer heat, so strange to see the water sparkles like 1,000 diamonds in the sun's lighted gleams. A flurry of activity, birds and bugs buzzing near. A tranquil oasis in the season of heat and fear.
And if you just want music without vocals, you can type -- no vocals and it will generate only the music without vocals. Unfortunately, we don't have much controls right now, like we can't add our own lyrics because right now this is in a beta testing, but in future they will make some changes and improve it further. And one more thing, you have multiple options to download. You can download only the music without vocals, or you can download the complete video with the music and vocals. So this was a short video on how to make rap with AI. If you like more and more AI content, make sure you subscribe the channel because a lot of things gonna happen in the future.